Did you know that a simple good morning message could completely shift the way a woman sees you today? I'm going to share a powerful secret that will not only brighten her day, but also strengthen the way you connect with women. Picture this. You send a message that instantly makes her smile and keeps her thinking about you for the rest of the day. Sounds intriguing, right? What if just one thoughtful message could keep you on her mind all day long? Now, take a moment to reflect. When was the last time you sent a good morning message only to feel unsure or anxious while waiting for her response? You're not alone. Many men unknowingly make crucial mistakes during this first interaction of the day, missing out on chances to form deeper connections. Subscribe to the channel. It's free. In this video, I'll reveal 7 impactful good morning messages designed to grab her attention and set the tone for a meaningful connection. Get ready. What you learned today could completely change your game. Before we begin, please like this video message. Number 1. The vision setter. What if I told you that the first message you send in the morning could change the entire day for the woman you care about? Imagine this. Instead of sending something dull like good morning, you text her this: good morning, sunshine. I hope today is as incredible as you are. See what's happening here. First, you give her a warm greeting, which sets a positive emotional tone. Then you acknowledge something specific about her life, like the presentation she mentioned, by showing you're paying attention. You're telling her, I see you and I believe in you. Women are naturally drawn to those who uplift and support their confidence. Here's why this is so powerful. If you don't set this kind of tone, someone else might, and you don't want her to start her day feeling overlooked or undervalued, right? But when you send a message like this, you're showing her that you're not just another person in her inbox, you're the one who truly sees her. Have you ever received a text that made you smile and then spent the next hour wondering why every message after that just fell flat? Exactly. That's why this one stands out. Message number 2. The inside joke starter. Imagine this. You send her a good morning text that instantly makes her laugh, not just because it's funny, but because it reminds her of something only the two of you share. Suddenly she's thinking about you, smiling, and maybe even texting back with that same energy. That's the power of an inside joke. For example, instead of sending a basic text, you write, good morning, my favorite breakfast partner. Hope your day is smoother than our waiter's memory. Last Friday, what's happening here? You're referencing a funny moment you both experienced, which immediately makes her feel connected to you. But what if humor isn't her thing? Don't worry, the next one is for the romantics message. 3. The dream follower. What's more captivating than someone who believes in you? Imagine waking up to a message that reminds you someone truly understands your aspirations and is rooting for you. And that's the essence of the dream follower message. It's not just about saying good morning, it's about showing her that her dreams matter to you. 2. For example, instead of just saying good morning, you send this: good morning, future CEO. I was thinking about your photography idea last night. You're going to crush it. Can't wait to see your photos in a gallery someday. You're showing her that you've been listening and paying attention to what's important to her. Here's why this is so impactful. It taps into a powerful psychological need: feeling seen and supported. On the flip side, not showing interest in her dreams can create a sense of disconnection if she doesn't feel like you're on her team. It opens the door for someone else who might be. So don't underestimate how much these little messages can mean. And by the way, don't worry if you don't know all the details of her dreams. You don't need to be her business coach. Just show her you care. Even a lighthearted message like, good morning, future world dominator. Remember me when you're famous. Make her day. And hey, If she's not into world domination, that's fine too. One step at a time, right? But sometimes it's not just about her dreams, it's about the connection you share. Up next, I'll show you a message style that taps into that deeper emotional bond and leaves her feeling like she's truly found someone who understands her. Stay tuned, would you? Like me to expand further on. Message 4. The adventure, all her picture. This she wakes up to a message that doesn't just say good morning, but sparks curiosity and excitement like a call to adventure that makes her smile and wonder what's next. That's the magic of the adventure, awakener. Imagine. She mentioned wanting to try a new coffee shop or hike a scenic trail instead of a standard good morning text. You say good morning, partner, and adventure. You're inviting her to join you in an activity which immediately creates a sense of collaboration. Excitement keeps relationships alive when she starts associating you with fun and adventure. She's more likely to feel emotionally connected to you. And hey, even if you can't plan something big, you can still keep it fun. Try something like good morning. Quick question. What's our next adventure, climbing Mount Everest or finding the perfect your call, because who doesn't love donuts and a little imagination? Up next, I'll show you a message that taps into her emotions in a way she'll never forget. Don't go anywhere. Message 5, the you're on my mind note. What if one simple message could make her feel cherished and appreciated, all before she's even stepped out of bed? That's the magic of the you're on my mind note. It's not just good morning text. It's a way of saying, you're special and I can't stop thinking about you. Let's get into an example. Say, you wake up and feel grateful she's in your life. Instead of a generic good morning, you could write good morning. Beautiful, just wanted to let you know. I woke up thinking about how lucky I am to have you in my life. Hope your day is as amazing as you are. You're tapping into her need to feel loved, valued, and appreciated. Here's the deal. If she doesn't feel appreciated or acknowledged, it creates a space for doubts to creep in. And let's face it, no one wants to feel taken for granted. But when you send her something like this, you're eliminating that fear and replacing it with reassurance. It's like saying, you're on my mind, and I'm not afraid to let you know. And hey, if you're not naturally poetic, don't stress. Even something like, good morning, I was going to text something deep, but honestly, I just really like, you can do the trick. Sometimes simplicity is all you need to make her smile. The next message I'll share builds on this by creating a sense of partnership that'll leave her feeling like you're her rock stick around. It's one you don't want to miss. Message 6, the lighthearted tease. What if your good morning text could make her laugh, spark curiosity, and remind her why she enjoys talking to you all in one shot? That's the beauty of the lighthearted tease. It's playful fun and shows her that you're confident enough to keep things interesting. Let's dive into how to use it the right way. Here's an example. Let's say she told you she's not a morning person. Instead of a typical good morning, you send good morning, Miss Grumpy. Morning, hope today's coffee is strong enough to turn you into your charming afternoon self. You're referencing something specific about her, which shows that you're paying attention. Here's why the lighthearted tease is so powerful. It keeps the energy dynamic, and fun relationships thrive on laughter and playful moments. And if you're worried about going too far, here's a cheat code. Make fun of yourself a little too. For example, you could text morning, I'd make fun of your morning hair, but mine looks like I wrestled a bear in my sleep. Humor is always better when it's mutual. The next type of message I'll share is a game changer. Don't miss it. Message 7, the gratitude reminder. What if one simple message could make her feel not just appreciated, but truly cherished? Imagine waking up to a text that reminds her how much she means to you. It's not just thoughtful, it's unforgettable. That's The power of the gratitude reminder. This message isn't just about saying thank you. It's about showing her how much her presence in your life truly matters. Instead of sending a basic good morning text, you could write good morning, love. I was just thinking about how grateful I am for you. You make my life brighter in so many ways. Thank you for being you. You're showing her that her presence adds value to your life, which reinforces her sense of worth. Here's why this message works so well. It provides reassurance. In a world where people often feel overlooked, these 7 good morning messages aren't just texts. They're little moments of connection that make her day brighter and your bond stronger. So, which one will you try first? Here's a challenge. Try sending one of these messages tomorrow and watch how it transforms your interaction. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with someone who needs a little inspiration. Let me know in the comments which message you're excited to try first.